Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading that is from 19th till 25th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Taurus in the coming week from 19th till 25th of October. For my Taurus, please, guides, angels and spirits, please guide me for my Taurus. What is there for my Taurus in the coming week? One more shuffle. Okay. So at the back of the deck we have the Devil and the Four of Cups. Okay, so what is happening, Taurus? So I'm seeing that there is some kind of an attraction from your side. It's like, when you are really attracted towards someone, but it's like getting rejected again and again. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, so Taurus, so I'm seeing over here that things are really different in your part. See, no matter how much you want this thing, no matter how much you feel, you are in a place where you want that. Sometimes you want this person and sometimes you don't want. Okay, because there's always a rejection from someone else's part. I'm seeing that your person over here is actually trying to reject you, trying to end the relationship. We have the Death in their part, we have the Tower in their end. So it is like they are ending, they want to end this thing, and they're adamant in this thing. They are really determined. They do not want to continue with this thing. I'm really getting negative energies from their part, Taurus. Okay, so it's like you want to move towards them, and the more you want to move towards them, the more they want to repel you. So that is what I'm getting. You are attracted. See, I'm also seeing that there might be a karmic bond with this person, and that is why there is a temporary relationship with you and them. It's like they are coming back and they are going back. So they are coming and going, coming and going. So that is what is happening with you. And you want peace. Okay, you want that if they actually want to be with you, they should stay. Okay, you have a trust in God, and you think that they will not leave you. You love that faith in you, but it's like when you trust the feelings, when you start trusting them again, because they have left you again and again, they're like leaving you because they are not sure. They are sure that they do not want this, but this attraction, this karmic bond is like they're not ready to accept it. Okay, so that is what it is. With you, with the Eight of Swords, I'm seeing, Taurus, that it is like you're trying to not see the situation. I'm seeing you're trying to just ignore the situation. You're trying that, okay, no matter how much this person is repelling me, there's a repulsion force over here. No matter how much this person is repelling me, no matter how much this person is not contacting with me, I have to. I cannot see that thing. You are not seeing that they are not communicating. You are not seeing the exact truth. You are just seeing them as the way you want to see them. Okay, so there's a difference, like how they are being with you and how you want them to be with you. So there's a difference in that thing. So that is what I'm seeing, that with you, with in your future energies as well, I'm seeing with the Knight of Swords and the Tower over here. So it is like they want this ending, and they want it fast. Okay, so now it's your time to fight back. Now it's your time to just not behave like a like a kid or like a childlike person. No, it's your time is over for behaving, for ignoring the things. you do not have to ignore now. See the truth and then behave and then react what is actually needed in the situation. Do not just be, you know, do not be in that blindfold that you are not able to see anything. In fact, you are seeing. It is just a misconception in you. Okay, you are feeling that you are not able to see anything, but you can see. See, you can just with your, see, these hands are really loosely tight. Okay, so you can just loose yourself and you can cut the ropes with this sword. You are blindfolded because this is your myth. Okay, this is a myth in which you are in. You can see the situation, the exact situation is not helping you. You know that, but it's just you do not want to see that. Okay, the advice for you over here from the tarot is the Hierophant and the Ace of Swords, Ace of Rods. So if you want to engage in something new, okay, your idea is there, you want to get married because it's your idea, you have some wisdom, you have some how to say this, you have something, um, like you have your rules, you have your rules and regulations, that is how I can say it. You have that thing and you have that as an idea. It's now time to put them into action. That is how you can portray, because being a Taurus, this is you, Hierophant, Taurus, so it's your energy over here. It's like, do not try to mold yourself, be the way you are. If you have some rules in your life, if you want to apply those rules, if you do not have, like, you cannot just compromise with everything. Okay, if you do not want the things that way, so it's your wish, because it's your life, it's your rules. So that is how the things work in life. Okay, you cannot compromise. You can compromise for some time, but for how much time? You cannot compromise. Being a Taurus, no, you start feeling that kind of that you are in a cage after some time, because from, in the start you might feel that, okay, I can compromise, I can do this, I can do that, but for how much time? You are an earth sign, they do not change a lot. Okay, they do not love changes. You want to be in a situation which actually gives you happiness, which gives you peace, and you just want to be in a place where there's no movement. You love to be at home, you love to be wherever you are. Okay, being grounded, being with nature, being with plants, and you are that kind of a person, Taurus. And it's like the changes, you don't love the changes a lot. Let's see what else do we have. King of Rods and Six of Cups. So this person is not leaving. Okay, so it's up to you how to deal with the situation now, Taurus. Like, they will come, they will go, they will come and they will go, because they don't know what to do. Okay, they are adamant that they do want to leave, they do want to go, but from outside that attraction is not letting them do that thing. Moving on is the best thing right now, Taurus. Moving on, doing what you do, wishing for good things in your life, that is what you have to do, because that is the best advice for you right now, Taurus. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, Page of Rods, King of Swords, Five of Swords, and Six of Pentacles. So you have to take care of yourself over here, Taurus. You cannot, sometimes you have to take some decisions in a practical way. You cannot just always think from your heart. You have to start thinking from your mind, because things might take a bad turn. If you will always think from your heart, you are the one who is going to be hurt at the end. Okay, so you have to feel, you have to make other person feel that it hurts you. Okay, it also hurts you as well. If they are telling you that how they are feeling, I guess it's like, it's from both sides, it's same thing. It's a balance which you need to maintain from both the sides, and that is what is not, you are not able to balance, you are not able to make that balance. This is the problem which is actually happening in this relationship. Okay, so what do we have over here? We have Aquarius, Capricorn, Cancer. Yes, Cancer. We have, what else? Sag, Taurus, Libran energy we have, Aquarius again, yes, okay, and Aries. Okay, so that is all we have over here, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.